Dear students, it is the fourth video for week 12 and we are learning technical and scientific report writing. Dear students, in the previous videos, we expressed in detail about the technicalities of the main sections of the technical report, whereas this portion, the fourth video, is about what things we have to be careful while writing a scientific and technical report. Accuracy. That whatever you say should be accurate. There should not be any confusion, misunderstanding, forged information or data, spellings or typing mistakes. Accuracy is one of the first thing required, not just in report writing, in overall life and communication. Be accurate. Try to be accurate. Well, the accuracy of a document is the responsibility of its writer. That accuracy is not the responsibility of editor or someone else. It is the responsibility of the writer. Most engineers produce their own reports, but as they are not usually trained typists, careful checking is essential. Now, it is really that sometimes the people are expert of one field. They have to write reports and they are not trained about language, typography, graphics, computer designing and management. Therefore, they should take help from the experts. Spelling, when the engineer when the writer is completed one section, he should check for spellings and typing errors. Clear? Sometimes we use the computer dictionary, but sometimes computer dictionary is very limited option. People use the advanced tools like Grammarly and others. Therefore, we have to use and take help from these advanced tools. Creating the wrong word, if a mistake creates a word which was not intended, the computer accepts it. Clear? There are lots of helps that you can gain accuracy. Number one, do it yourself. Number two, consult it with an expert. Number three, consult for correction and accuracy the computer applications, but by all means make sure that the document is accurate. Dear students, next, technical words. Technical words are always a challenge for the writers to convert. Therefore, definitions are written. Technical words, writers or engineers sometimes avoid the spell check because it highlights too many technical words which are not in the computer dictionary. This is a limitation, that when they check the spelling they are writing, and often those words from the various multifarious disciplines, जब बहुत सारे लफ्ज जो हैं वो दूसरी एप्लीकेशन से होते हैं, दूसरे सब्जेक्ट मैटर से होते हैं, कंप्यूटर में वो नहीं होते, then they become confused. For them, the suggestion is to use thesaurus or the dictionaries of the relevant fields. Clear? For example, medical dictionaries are different, law dictionaries are different, general linguistic dictionaries are different. Clear? So they must consult for the meanings the relevant dictionary, be it is available online or manually. Such words should be added if they are likely to be used frequently. And a second person should check what is added. It is all too easy to add an incorrectly spelled word. This is what the definition is, that you can add it with the computer. I mean, if you are using this word over and again, you can. Rare words should be checked individually as they occur. The spelling checking may be used for all other words which might be missed. I mean, technical words, words from the other languages, they are often different, and sometimes computer doesn't provide us or fails to provide us the exact diction or words. New words. New technical or semi-technical words often consist of old words put together without a hyphen, such as online, workstation. This is probably the wisest way to write such words in the absence of the other evidence. That whenever the new word comes, do confirm. Now, this is called compound words. Clear? New words, we find that with some existing words, a new word is written. For example, cloud computing. Cloud is something other, computing is something that I have already explained it. Now, this word is a new term. For this, we have to use the computer sciences dictionary. That best guides us this what this concept is. Next is punctuation. Punctuation is very important, and believe me that in Pakistan especially, the students ignore this very important segment. The mistake of the punctuation can destroy your entire content. It changes the meanings and much more. Therefore, punctuation matters because it aids accurate reading and also because it affects the meanings. Like for example, the engine which were in the engines which were in the perfect running order had been tested previously. All the engines were in the perfect running order and all had been tested. Fine. Now see the other version. The engines which were in the perfect running order had been tested previously. The implication would be that only the engines which were in perfect running order had been tested. So here it is the punctuation. So punctuation helps us and really I am over and again students doesn't know how to put punctuations to separate clauses and phrases, okay, to mention the list and all that. Correct choice of the word. Correct choice of the word is one of the very major care for the writer because words have their own life. A wrong word, a word which doesn't give the proper meaning, vague, overused, slang, okay, their word often destroy the express. Clear? Choice of the word is not simply a matter of the right word as opposed to the wrong word. Clear? Choice of the word gives you a sense, it expresses about your descriptive quality. Fine. Therefore, following words be avoided: overused words, word which doesn't match with the exact phenomena, they are called vague words. Informal expression be avoided. Okay. And cliches, they should be avoided. Fine. Sentences. In technical and business writing, sentences should ideally be in active order, active sentence, descriptive with very image building words, clear, and the sentence length should be 10 to 12 words is ideal, clear. Good style involves variety in sentences length as well as in paragraphs. Length and many technical words are led to the grammatical confusion. The over confusing lengthy sentences often attracts mistakes. Therefore, sentence should be short, precise, and with well punctuate. Dear students, paragraphs. The combination of the related sentences about one topic is called paragraphs. Paragraphs should have unity of content, but they also have a psychological effect on the reader. Clear? Paragraphs are designed to express one idea independently with supporting details. Paragraph writing. A paragraph should be well connected using very strong transitions. Several paragraphs on one page with resulting space encourage reading, while one long lengthy paragraph often confuse. Therefore, brevity. Brevity means preciseness. That whatever we say, that should be precise, brief, clear. Brevity, in some reports, brevity are long because they contain a great deal of important information. Clear? In short, brevity means that whatever we are saying should be comprehensive with exact words that contains or convey the message. We should not use the wordy expression, right? There should be less words, more content. Cliches mean overused sentences, jargons, the language which creates the dual meanings and often confusion. They should be avoided. Be precise, to the point, be brief. Clear? Dear students, with this point, I'm going to end this discussion and let me recap the main ideas that a technical report is the explanation or description of scientific, technical, and business content. It is always purposeful. One must express the technical and scientific phenomena properly. First, we should, properly, in scientific and technical reports, we include the diagram, illustrations, formulas, and all that. A scientific report should be divided into proper sections as devised by experts or supervisors. Clear? We must be careful about language, punctuation, spellings, and layout. A technical report must be attractive. Thank you very much.